What's up, guys? Josh bringing you another video for you guys today. Yesterday I did an unboxing of my new 4K 49-inch TV. Um, directly I got the video done. I was trying to upload it last night, and it just kept on every time when it got done to about 25%. It restarts and went back down to zero, and then it loads back up again. So basically, I think it was too much for it to handle, so I had to get rid of it, and had it just got all messed up. And then once I uploaded it again, it did not want to upload, it said unavailable, so I had to delete it, and that's why I'm making this video right now to start over. um Yesterday I received a mail, and it was my TV, and here it is right here, brand new 4K TV. Just I got. I'm about making about $28 a month right now on paying it, and about because because mainly these right here cost about like over 1,000 to 2,000 to 5,000 to $6,000. Depends on what kind of size you get. Depends on what kind of quality you get. I actually got this from Walmart. It cost me about like $289 or $290, somewhere around there. And I tell you what, right after I hooked it up, it was real. It was I had to set it up and everything. Plus, as a smart TV, I had to go ahead and set it for my Wi-Fi, and luckily I got that. Um, I tell you what, I only had this TV for about 24 hours, and I actually love it. And I tell you what, playing games on it is it's real great. Um, playing playing games. I have not played a movie on it just yet because I don't have a 4K player yet. I'm actually working on it. The sound is kind of a little bit uh, off a little bit. I'm going to be getting a sound bar for it, but basically, I actually love this TV, and I think I love this more than my wife. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe. If you haven't already, and please to leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.